Hello, everyone. Today on the Vital Wealth channel, we'll cover a topic you'll love. To get started, we've given you a mission, and that is eat the rainbow. Are you ready for an adventure? Your next challenge is a delicious and colorful mission, eating the rainbow. It's not just a simple nutrition tip, but a fun and effective way to transform your health. Each color you include on your plate is a superpower for your body, a gem of energy and vitality that will make you feel amazing. Think of foods not just as sustenance, but as tools for a full life. Here is a map to start your journey. The benefits of your short-term adventure. Step 1. Explosive energy. Reds. Oranges. Start your day with a red smoothie of strawberries and a handful of carrots. Instantly, you'll feel a boost in energy and an improvement in your mood. Red and orange foods are like a shot of vitamin C and natural sugars that prepare you to conquer the day. No more energy crashes, just a constant and positive vibe. Step 2. Super digestion. Greens. For your lunch, dare to create the greenest salad you can. Include spinach, broccoli, and a bit of avocado. These foods are rich in fiber, the secret ingredient for smooth digestion. You'll feel lighter and less bloated, ready to continue your day without heaviness. Step 3. Brilliant mind. Blues, purples. When you need a snack, choose blueberries, blackberries, or grapes. These small fruits are like a gym for your brain. They are full of antioxidants that protect your neurons, which helps you stay focused and think clearly. You'll notice a mental sharpness that will surprise you in no time. The legacy of your long-term adventure. Eating the rainbow isn't just for the present, it's an investment in your future. Each color you eat adds to a protective shield that will make you stronger in the long run. The heart shield. Red, tomatoes, and watermelon, with their lycopene, work silently to keep your heart healthy and strong. Vision for the future. Orange. Carrots and pumpkin, with their beta-carotene, are the guardians of your sight, protecting your eyes from the passage of time. The invincible immune system, all colors. The variety of colors strengthens your immune system, making you less vulnerable to illness and giving you resistance others would envy. The young brain, blue, purple. By choosing purple foods, you're fighting cellular aging, keeping your memory sharp and your mind active. Eating a rainbow is an act of self-love. It's a way to turn every meal into a nutritional masterpiece and a declaration that you choose to live a vibrant life. What color will you add to your plate today to start your mission? Write your answer in the comments, subscribe, and like this video. You can also tell us what other topics you'd like us to cover in the next video. See you soon.